Welcome to 80/20's Extreme DIY series. In this episode, we continue our summer series with our kayak portion, which includes 3 projects: the paddle rack, the chair hanger, and the kayak rack. In the description below, you'll find links to each project's webpage, where you can download drawing files and project plans. By downloading the project plans, you can follow along in the build instructions as we reference all the parts for these builds. So let's jump right into it. The first build, the paddle rack. This paddle rack is a fast and easy way to store and organize paddles of different sizes. The rack uses a durable aluminum T-slot profile, along with short connector rods and rubber bumpers to secure the paddles. We'll start building by preloading paddle hooks. We'll remove hardware included in the rubber bumper, slide a bolt through the rubber bumper, and tighten it down to one end of a connector rod. On the other end of the rod, we'll install a drop-in T-stud with a washer. Repeat the process for the remaining connector rods. Next, find the desired location on the wall for the backing profile. We'll secure it to the wall by locating 2 wall studs anywhere along the profile length. Once the profile is mounted to the wall, we'll take our preloaded connector rods and drop the T-stud into the open T-slot. Each paddle will need 4 connector rods in total, with 2 in each T-slot channel. Space the rods apart as needed and tighten down the T-stud by rotating the connector rod until it's secure. We'll finish off the build by adding end caps to the profile. Now that we've put away the paddles, let's look at our solution for storing kayak chairs. This kayak chair hanger provides quick and easy access to the chairs while keeping your space tidy. The build features a lightweight but sturdy frame with steel hooks to easily mount the kayak chairs. We'll begin this build by preloading bolts and drop-in T-nuts onto each hook. We'll place the preloaded hooks anywhere along the profile and tighten them down. Next, we'll find the desired location on the wall for our profiles and we'll mount it to a wall stud using the machined access holes. Then we'll finish the build by adding end caps. We've got the kayak chairs organized, now we need to store the kayaks. With this wall-mounted kayak rack, you're able to optimize your space and keep the kayaks easily accessible. The rack utilizes durable profiles that won't corrode over time, and tread strip to prevent damage to the kayaks. Let's begin by preloading 2 anchor fasteners and a 45-degree support in each of the 4 areas between access holes on one backing profile. Repeat the process for a second backing profile. We'll then place one of the shorter profiles in between each of the anchor fasteners and tighten the fasteners to the profile. Then we'll remove the preloaded T-nut from the 45-degree support and slide it through the T-slot channel facing the 45-degree support. Now we'll move the support up to meet the shorter profiles and tighten the bolt through the T-nut. We'll finish the arms by adding tread strip in the top T-slot channel and adding end caps. These pre-assembled profiles with the arms will serve as the end racks for the kayaks to rest on. And the third backing profile will be placed in the middle as a backing bar. Next, we'll find the desired location on the wall for all 3 profiles. To secure it to the wall, the rack must be mounted to a wall stud using machined access holes. Once the rack is mounted to the wall, we'll adjust the individual rack arms as needed. Then we'll use the remaining tread strip to cover the center backing bar. We'll finish the build with end caps. Hopefully you found this segment of Extreme DIY helpful. To download the project plans, design files, or even get started building your own versions of these projects, please visit 8020.net. And thanks for watching.